Hi class. Today we're going to make our drawstring bag. First you take your piece of material, this direction, long ways. You write down your name on the inside of your material, not the outside, the inside. Then you're going to take your strip pattern onto your material, the inside, and draw a line, trace a line. The next thing you have to do is to fold triangles with your finger. This is called finger press. I'm just going to talk just because it helps me.
Oh, okay, no problem.
And then start sewing down the middle of the triangle. Go off the edge. You can use these scissors, or there's also a blade right here on the side of your machine. Press your foot down, ready to sew. Guiding it with my fingers. The edge. This is called a seam gauge. This is what you use to measure before you start sewing. Now I'm going to fold this over until it reaches that spot.
There you go.
And I'm going to pin this top piece. Actually, we should go like that. You can sew over these pins, but it's better to pull them out before you hit them. So I'm going to do my first couple stitches. Hit reverse button for a back stitch. Now go forward again. Now I'm about to hit that pin, so I'm going to pull it out. Guide your fabric here so you don't go off the edge. Continue to take out your pins before you sew over them. Almost done. I'm going to back stitch at the end. Remember, every time you start or stop, push your reverse button. And you'll go backwards and you'll go forward, and that will secure your stitch. Come off my end.
Okay.
Now I'm ready for the next step. Fold your fabric down to the pencil line. Once again, make sure your pin goes in and out every inch or so. In, out. Is it exact on the pencil line? Yeah, pretty close. This is where your rope is going to go in for your drawstring. So it has to have some space here. Okay, I'm ready to sew this part down. Back stitch again, everybody. Forward a few stitches, push the reverse button, back a few stitches, forward again. Pull out your pins. Pull out your pins. This is where you back stitch here to the end of your sewing. Push your reverse button back, forward. Done. Lift up your presser foot, clip off your ends. That's step 5. Step 7, fold in half with right sides together. Start sewing just below the triangle. This is where you pivot. Put your needle down, put your presser foot up, turn your fabric, put your presser foot down, start going again. That's a pivot. I'm coming to a stop. Remember to backstitch. We're almost done. Step 9, push number 2 on the screen. You're ready to zigzag. Number 2 is on the screen and go. Time to pivot. Needle down. Press her foot up. Press her foot down. No need to backstitch on a zigzag. Just go right off the edge. To secure this opening, I'm going to sew a few stitches over, a few stitches back, a back stitch in, just to my stitches right here. A few stitches in, a few stitches over. You can do zigzag or straight stitch on that, and you're done. Only one thing left to do until your drawstring bag is complete. Take your string, put a little bit of Scotch tape on the end so that it won't fray. Put your safety pin into your tape. And now you take your string into the hole of your casing, poke it in, start pushing it down in there. Pretty soon you have to go where it turns. Push it some more. Push and pull. Push it in and pull the fabric back. Pretty soon you've worked that safety pin all the way through your casing. Tie your knot. And you are done.